CETA has two schedules. Let me draw it for you all. First schedule and second schedule, that is basic excise duty, and this is special excise duty, which is completely exempt under schedule 2. Please don't copy it right now. I'll give time to copy. You all also know I give time for copying. See, in this CETA, this is a book, Central Excise and Tariff Act. This is a book in which there are number of items. Number of items means number of goods are given. Their names are written, and ahead of their name there is a 8-digit unique code. What the unique code is, I'll explain you the code, how the code is made, and after the code there is the rate of excise duty that will be levied on that good. So let's see. The rate percentage will be written beside 8-digit code. For example, 66710077, 12%. Okay. If name of the goods is there in CETA, CETA, that means Central Excise and Tariff Act, then the goods is excisable and excise duty will be payable. Okay. If the name is not there in CETA, then the goods, I know this is not visible, then the goods are not excisable and excise duty will not be payable. Hope this is clear. So firstly I want you all to write this much, then because this much is fitting in the frame. So firstly please write this much. Please pause the video and write this much. Hope this is done. Now we'll see. Every product have a 8-digit code. These numbers are as per international standards. Excisable goods includes goods at nil rate as well as exempted rates. Okay. Now we'll see the 8-digit code, how it is made. 8-digit code, we were talking about 8-digit code. So let's see first. I'll be writing XX. XX means 1 or 2. Chapter number The chapter number will be written over here. Then XX, heading of the chapter, in the chapter, XX, subheading, and then subheading. This is how the 8-digit code is made. For example, 12459823. So this is the unique 8-digit code of the product. Hope this is clear. Please copy this much. So now we'll understand what excisable means. Excisable means the goods, if the name of the goods are there in this CETA, Central Excise and Tariff Act. Act means it is a book. In the book, if the name of the good is there in the book, then such good will be liable to pay excise duty. So CETA in first schedule basic exemption, basic excise duty, that is 12.5%, which is the basic excise duty. Second schedule, which is a special excise duty, which is exempt. So you don't need to worry about that. Only first schedule you have to worry. The rate percentage will be written besides 8-digit code. What I wrote? For example, 66710077 and 12% is given. If name of the goods is there in the CETA, then the goods is excisable and excise duty will be payable. I hope you all are understanding. If the name of the good is there in the CETA book, that means Central Excise and Tariff Act book, then only the goods are excisable. If the name is not there in the CETA, then the goods are not excisable and the excise duty will not be payable. Okay. Every product have a 8-digit code. These numbers are as per international standard. Excisable goods include goods at nil rate as well as exempted rate. The name should be there in the CETA book. Even if it is at a nil rate, that means excise duty is levied, but the excise duty that you have to pay is zero, because the rate is nil. And if it is exempt, then even you have to pay a zero excise duty. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. 8-digit code, how the 8-digit code is made. Chapter number in the CETA book, chapter number, for example 12, chapter number, heading 45, subheading 98, subheading 23, and then the goods name is there, and beside that this code is given. I hope this is clear for you all. Now something very important I am going to teach you all. Excise duty payable liability. This excise duty payable is a liability of the manufacturer, is arised when the goods are manufactured, but the payment is deferred. I don't need to teach all what deferred means at this stage, but the payment is deferred up to the time of removal of the goods, and the applicable rate will be the rate on the date of removal. So this is something, a very important concept I am teaching you all. So firstly we'll write liability over here. Liability means manufactured, and payment means removed from factory. Okay, because payment will be done only when removed from factory. This is factory. Okay, so if we'll write over here first the date date, rate, rate. If on 2/4/2017 the goods are manufactured, okay, on 2/4/2000, we'll take 2/4/2016, okay, it will be a better example. 2/4/2016